Hello, my YouTube family. I hope all is well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with a new video. Take a A4 size page and fold it into a triangle now. Fold it again into a triangle. Now draw a shape in it like this and cut it. Open it and fold the cutting shape. We will make it very easy so that you too can make easy. Open it and fold the cutting shape like this. Draw the eyes, nose and cheeks. Use red marker. And cut the big leaves in center side like this. Now put the small leaves into cutting shape and prepare a box like this. Take a small size of paper, red color and cut leaves and paste is like this. Beautiful box is ready. Today we are make very beautiful cartoon. Let's start. We took a page of width is 2 centimeter and length is 20 centimeter and fold like this all. Fold is like this and make a shape spring like. Again we take a piece of paper, fold it like this and paste it. Cut a round shape paper and paste it. Take a white paper and draw ears and paste it, and ears paste into a circle shape. Again draw two small circle and make very beautiful eyes. Again draw a small circle like this and cut it all. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share, comment and like.